Well, today is a good day for some barbecue up on the family's request. So the key thing to getting a great fire started, I pre-soaked my charcoal in very little lighter fluid. Keep in mind, like I said, very little lighter fluid, and I hand stack each charcoal. About to be some good barbecue going on today. That's for damn sure. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Coming along, it's coming along. This is one of the seasons I always use for my barbecue meat. I recommend you guys go get it. Yummy. Creamy and cheesy, just how it's supposed to be. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Sweet potato just about done cooking. Gotta drain the water and add the spices. The best barbecue you'll ever taste in your life. Hamburger, hot dogs, and drumsticks. Yummy, 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 you guys. It is time for Gerard to eat. There we have it. Homemade barbecue, cut up yams, macaroni and cheese. It's time for me to eat. Yummy, 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 motherfucking yummy, as I always say.